What is going on, guys? How are you guys all today? Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you are new, and hit that bell so you get all notifications. Now, let's cut straight to the point. I needed a battery pack, a power bank, something that'll charge my iPad Air, something that'll last, decently long. And listen, man, I bought two different power banks. They were great for the phone, but not good for an iPad and not good for a MacBook or a laptop. So finally, after looking through the internet and stuff, after buying two items and returning them, I finally came across one, and it is the Anker PowerCore 3 19K 60 watt. Okay, so 60 watt input and output, and it comes with a 65 watt power brick, and that power brick alone is around $50. So how much did I pay for this? Canadian, I paid 130 bucks plus tax and everything. It came up to around 150 bucks Canadian. So that is hovering around, 135 American, something along there. But point is this thing will do exactly what I need it to do, and that is charge my iPad. Excuse, I know it's dirty right now, but I need it to charge my iPad, and I need it to be reliable. So let's get to unboxing this, checking it out. So let's get to it. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I've already opened this, so put it back in the box just for, presentation's sake. So let's get to it, shall we? So Anker, a trusted brand, you know what I mean? So listen, when I charge my phone, I charge anything, I only use official cords, because why? I learned the hard way. Man, you cannot buy, I hate people that think they can buy a charger from the dollar store and use it. Those are literally meant for emergencies. They're only $1, $2. You're supposed to be put in your car if you absolutely don't have anything and it's a one-time use thing. That's what you use it for. You don't use unofficial cords, especially dollar store cords, because it'll ruin your battery, number one, and ruin your phone in the long run. So yeah, it might work well for the first month or two, or hey, even 4 or 5 months. But after that, it's gonna do unrepairable damage to your phone. So always use official cords right from the company, or used certified brands like Anker or Belkin. So let's get to it, man. My cat is scratching the window trying to get out, so ignore that noise in the background. Wait, let's see. Now, this is pretty heavy. The first thing I can tell you guys is this is pretty heavy. So let's get this. Come on now. Okay, so there is the battery instructions. Here is the 65 watt that comes with it, and then a travel pouch and a high-speed USB-C cable. Now, listen, I bought another Anker one that was like this, and it didn't come with a USB-C output, so it only had USB-A, and they were limited to only 18 watt, 12 watt, but not this one, baby. This is the motherlord, Anker. This one comes with two USB-A 12 watt and a USB-C 60 watt, and this is input and output. That's the baby I paid for. That's nice. Now, it also comes, like I said, with a 65 watt power brick. Now, this all costed me in total, like I told you guys, around 140 bucks with the bundle. Now, this power brick on its own is $50 on Amazon, and then plus tax and shipping, that'll come up to around 60 bucks. So let's minus 60 bucks away from the 140. So basically, we're hovering around the $80 point is what we paid for this. And not to forget, you get the USB-C cord too. So this is perfect. Now, give me just 1 sec, guys. Go. The cat begging to get outside. So this, what will this do now exactly? Now this will charge your phone, iPhone 12 or 13, or even, the ones before that. This will give you 4 to 5 full charges. That's amazing. So you could charge your phone from 0 to 100 about 4.5 times with this thing. Now laptops, it'll give you basically a MacBook Pro, one full charge, so that's amazing. Also, you can use this on tablets. That's why I bought it. So for the iPad Air is what I got. This will give me 1.5 charges for my iPad Air, which is exactly what I need. Now, this thing is heavy, man. The build quality is sturdy. It's good, top quality, man. It's not too big, you know what I mean? What do you expect? You're gonna be carrying around power, so it's gonna be kind of bulky because they got to fit a battery in there, and a big one to say the least. Now this one is the 19,200 milliamps mAh, so it's exactly what I need. There are ones that come in bigger capacity, but it's all about what do you need it for. You know, all I really need, you know, I could have got one half as good as this, but I really couldn't find one. This is like the least one I could find that would actually charge the Air, because most of these things will charge phones no problem, but it's when you get into the tablets and laptops is where the issue comes. And like I said, this 65 watt type C power adapter, this thing alone, like I told you guys, is $50, so it's cool that they include that. And then this high-speed USB-C cable from Anker, so this, you can use this with your Apple products, your Samsung products. This alone is going to cost you another $30. So 50, 60, 70, 80 bucks. So knock off 80 bucks. Like I said, you're hovering around paying for this thing really around like, you know, the $70, $60 mark. You know, I think it's well worth it, man. For what you get out of it, no complaints whatsoever on my end, man. This is exactly what I needed. Yes, some people can say it's a bit pricey. You know, it's $129.99 plus tax. Comes up to around $140, depending on what shipping you pick, around $140, $150. So, but you know what, man, this thing is a lifesaver. You can take this anywhere with you, on a bus, train, plane, walking around. It charges anything, literally anything. Now, I already tried this with my iPad. Now, it charges, and it charges fast. So that's a plus in my book. And you can charge 3 things simultaneously on here. Now, if I read it correctly, I'm pretty sure, so this is 60 watts, these are 12 watts, but if you're using all 3 of them at the same time, it only equals out in total to 60 watt. So, this is, like I said, excuse me, the PowerCore 3, 19K 60 watt, with the PowerPort 3 65 watt pod. Now, one thing I can honestly say about Anker is that they've never disappointed me, man. Always, you know, top quality. The build quality is top notch. Trusted brand. We've used it. I even bought their little battery pack, magnetic battery pack for MagSafe, and it's phenomenal, man. Half the price of the Apple one. The Apple one's around $100, and it's a very slow charging. You'll be lucky if you get a full charge out of it. The Anker one, half the price, and works twice as good as the Apple one. So I am not complaining at all, man. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thought I'd give you my... Now, I did use this one time, and like I said, this thing worked phenomenal. Oh, and to charge it. So if you're going to use like a 5 watt, you know, power brick to charge this, it's going to take some time, you know, a few hours at least. Some people are writing up to 8 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours. But if you use the 65 watt that comes included with it, this will charge the entire thing within an hour and a half, man. And now that's not bad. That's actually phenomenal. So the other power bank I got, like I told you before this, it took 14 hours to charge, man. That's crazy. So these guys include the power brick, and I couldn't have asked for more, man. That's it. So let me know what you guys think. Are you going to get one? Like I said, you want to charge your tablets, you want to charge your laptop, this is the way to go. The PowerCore Elite, baby. Let me make sure I'm saying that right. Yes, the PowerCore 3 Elite. That's which one this is. So, guys, thank you all for watching. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit that bell so you get all notifications. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you guys need this, want this. Let me know if there's better brands, a better one I could get for the price. Like I said, remember, I paid $129.99 plus tax for this. So you guys all let me know down in the comments below. Other than that, guys, I'll let you know in a few months how this thing's holding up. I'll make a follow-up video. And until then, man, thank you all for joining me. I hope you guys all have a wonderful day, and I will be back with another video. Now go check out my prior videos. I did a Apple Magic keyboard review, so go check that out. I also have a ton of videos on my channel now. If you guys were ever wondering how to use an external hard drive with an iPhone, that's in my video list down below. I got a couple of unboxing videos, the Air unboxing, the keyboard unboxing, so go check it all out. Like I said, if you want to know how to use an external hard drive with an iPhone, in my videos down below, guys. Thank you all for joining me. Like I said, I will catch you guys all in the next video. Thank you, and peace out.